Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we'll do a brief dive into the safety feature of the 2024 Hyundai lineup. So we'll shine a spotlight on the Hyundai's commitment to passenger safety with a special focus on the impressive Hyundai Ioniq 5, Sonata and Santa Fe models. First up, let's talk about the Hyundai Ioniq 5. This cutting-edge electric small SUV has earned the desired top safety peak plus status, thanks to its outstanding performance in the updated moderate overlap front test. So in the rigorous testing conducted by the IIHS, the Ioniq 5 showcased excellent rear passenger protection with advanced safety features that mitigate head, neck and chest injuries. But safety isn't just about the Ioniq 5, also the Hyundai Santa Fe and Sonata were evaluated, both of them earned the prestigious Top Safety Peak award. While these models offer modern safety features, they couldn't provide the same protection as the Ioniq 5. The Santa Fe, a mid-size SUV, demonstrated efficiency in the rear passenger protection as the second row restraints allowed the rear dummy's head to come closer to the front seat back. Consequently, there was an increased risk of injury to the head, neck and chest. Additionally, the lap belt shifted from its optimal position on the pelvis to the abdomen, increasing the risk of abdominal injuries. Similarly, the Sonata, a mid-size car, exhibited inferior performance, with rear dummy sensor indicated a high possibility of head, neck and chest injuries for the second row occupants. Like the Santa Fe, the lap belt in the Sonata also moved from the pelvis to the abdomen. And as a brief conclusion, we can clearly say that the Hyundai has improved a lot the safety of their vehicle. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.